Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a magnetic phone holder from Mpow. Mpow? Mpow? Mpow. Mpow. I don't know. So it comes like this with this nice little foam package around it, which can just be pushed off. And as you can see, it's very simple. This is how it looks. So this is the part that's obviously going to stick onto your dashboard or wherever you decide to mount it, but we'll get to that. And this is the part that's going to be showing either that way or that way for you to stick your phone onto that and make it stick to the car. So let's see what else is in the box. All right, so in the box it comes with two wipes. It comes with obviously a wet wipe, that's for you to clean the surface before you stick down the mount, and it comes with a dry wipe, so it's labeled 1 and 2 so you know which to use it. It also comes with 2 of these stickers, so 2 of these stickers here, so in case you get it wrong when you're installing this onto your car, you can simply tear this part off and then just try again with either one of these. But it comes with 2 different magnets, a big one and a small one depending on what sort of phone you have, and obviously it comes with 2 of these, as I mentioned, that you can use to stop this from going directly on your phone. So first things first, let's clean this area. So with that, you use number 1, the wet wipe, and you just clean up the area. Then you use number 2, and this is the dry one. Once the surface is nice and clean, we're now ready to install our mount. So very carefully, using your fingernail, you just want to peel off the sticker that we have here, and then you just want to have it however you want actually, but the main thing is you want to have it in the area spot on, because once you stick it down it's kind of hard to take it off. So 10 seconds, you place it and you push and hold, give it a nice little push. 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be used if your kids don't know how to count. Watch this video, get the likes up, get the views up. Also the curing time is 3 hours. After 3 hours it should be like solid as a rock. And yeah, that's the W. So we're gonna kind of bend it towards the driver, and again, once this is in place you shouldn't really need to move it around, but you can tilt it that way for the passenger, you can tilt it that way for the driver, you can tilt it up in case you've got someone looking through the sunroof, or you can tilt it down in case you've got the dogs and the dog wants to watch a bit of Paw Patrol or you name it. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. You can either peel off this sticker and stick it directly back on the back of the phone. I've got these magnets from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description along with this where you can get it from. Give it a like so far if you like it. And yeah, so what you can do is do this. So I'm going to peel this sticker off, so that way when you do go to either selling a phone or going for an upgrade, you ain't got to worry about damage. And then now very carefully you want to place this sticker. Let me use good hands here, not good hands, let me use my good hand. Very carefully place this sticker on the phone. So now this sticker's on the phone, that's nice and flush, and if you want to peel it off, you've got this little tab here that you can use, this little tab here that you can use, and that tab there is going to allow you to peel it off when you go to peeling it off if you're going to upgrade or whatever. But yeah, so that's done. So next, all you want to do with your magnet, set that to one side, is peel the sticker off the back of the magnet. So now this will go directly in the center of the phone. So it hasn't got to match up with the circle with the sticker, but you want it as high up as possible in the middle of the phone, so that way the phone can be like in a central position. So that is that. So now that is done on there, and then that goes like that, bang. So now you got your sat nav, you got your Netflix. Let's put this now back in the case, and boom, bam. Let's bend that back to the driver. Happy days. So now you're driving along, get the watching, you know. You're driving along, and boom. Sat nav, boom. Netflix, boom. Big Shack. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching, God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.